Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Country Star application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box and type in Country Star. After you perform the search, look for this application from Space Ape Limited. Now, to begin the download process, tap on Get. Confirm your identity, and then after logging into your Apple ID, you will be able to get the application start downloading. Wait until the app is downloaded and installed on your mobile device, which should only take a few minutes depending upon the internet speed. So make sure to connect to a stable internet whenever you are downloading any kind of a mobile application. Once the application is downloaded and installed, launch it open and start playing your game. That is how you should be able to download Country Star application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.